everyone! Welcome to Adventures in TV Land. Today we went to McDonald's and they just released the Happy Meal that is the Walt Disney World Company's 100th anniversary Happy Meal. Look at that. They got Mickey right there on the front. There's a bunch of other characters. You got Nemo and Iron Man. A lot of these characters are not what you would call the classical Disney characters. They're more new. Other than Mickey, honestly. Well, then there's R2-D2. But, I mean, there's a lot of the other IP that Disney owns now, but not so much specifically Disney. But there's not a whole lot of actual Disney characters on there. There's Tinkerbell down here. But, and Stitch. But it's mostly stuff from Pixar and Star Wars and Marvel. There's a few, but... So that's the front side of the box. This side of the box, of course, you pop it open. There's a couple other characters there. Genie, and it looks like Gamora from Guardians of the Galaxy. This other side, same thing. You got, well, there's Pluto, and there is the girl from, what was it, Turning Red, Pixar film. Here they've got an advertisement and a computer game for Wish. The Wish movie is coming out, I think, in the end of November, first part of December. And on this side, you've got Sully there, same type of advertisement. They want you to put your toys with your phone so they can get more information from you. And of course, McDonald's, they're cheap now. They just put the red Happy Meal thing on the back side anymore. So I got a hamburger Happy Meal. That is what I got. Fries are in here. Apple slices, the apple slices, they're advertising the 100th anniversary. 100 years ago this year was when Walt Disney founded the Walt Disney Company. Ooh. And so the toy, see here, comes in a little box of its own. I believe there's 100 of these characters total that you can get. And we'll see what this is here. I am doing this video in my car because today was incredibly cold. It is recording of this, October 31st, and the temperature has dropped below zero. It has been below zero all day. It's kind of cold for us where we are in this kind of part of the country at this time of the year. Got everything wrapped up there. I wonder what it will be. Who will it be? And we have... Ooh. We actually get two characters. Wow, I got two. There's Woody from Toy Story. And I don't know if that's supposed to be Mulan. It says not for resale. I guess that's maybe Mulan? I don't know. So we got Woody from Toy Story and this character here, who I'm assuming is, I guess, Mulan. So yeah, there we have it. The Disney 100th Happy Meal for the next 5 weeks, I believe it is, at McDonald's near you. You can get yourself one of these 100 characters as well. Well, this has been another adventure in TV land. Thank you for watching. Until next time, that's a wrap.